Topic 8.1, 2D Arrays. In this lesson, we will cover how data can be stored in a 2D array. It is important to note that this data structure is called a 2D array and not a 2D array list. This means that you should notice many similarities between an array and a 2D array. 2D arrays are stored as arrays of arrays. Therefore, the way 2D arrays are created and indexed is similar to 1D array objects. Please note, 2D array objects that are not rectangular are outside the scope of the course and AP exam. For the purposes of the exam, when accessing the element at array first, second, the first index is used for rows, the second index is used for columns. The initializer list used to create and initialize a 2D array consists of initializer lists that represent 1D arrays. The square brackets, row, column are used to access and modify an element in a 2D array. Row major order refers to an ordering of 2D array elements where traversal occurs across each row, where column major order traversal occurs down each column. We mentioned how arrays and 2D arrays are similar. Pause to look at this table. 8.1 Daily Video 1 walks through how to declare and initialize 2D arrays. 8.1 Daily Video 2 walks through how to access and update 2D arrays. Daily Video 3 walks through how to solve different 2D array problems in more detail.